Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph, and as always every single week I'm here in the warehouse rummaging around all the boxes to see what's back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I found this time. First up this week, the Master Cylinder Assembly. That is part number 607163. That's £278.84 including VAT. And finally, the balanced pair of T120 exhaust pipes. That's part number 179363/4. That's £215.94 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week and you'd like to know if it's back in stock, you can always check out the Andover Triumph website, which is linked in the section below, or you can get in touch with the technical team as well. Their email address is mentioned in the description box too, along with links to the items that I've mentioned this week, which you can just click and then go and buy those items. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this time, and until next week, safe riding.